Imagine walking into your backyard, windowsill, or balcony and being greeted not just by green leaves, but by an explosion of reds, blues, purples, oranges, and pinks. These aren't flowers. These are succulents, compact, resilient, and radiantly colorful. For years, succulents were seen as desert plants. But not anymore. Today, these tiny marvels have stolen the spotlight in homes, offices, and gardens around the world. In this video, we're diving into a stunning visual tour of 50 colorful succulents that are incredibly beautiful. Some you may have never heard of. Get ready to fall in love, one leaf at a time. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on the most beautiful and practical plant guides. Now, let's explore these dazzling gems of nature. 1. Echeveria Lola. With its pastel hues of lavender, pink, and pale green, Echeveria Lola is like a watercolor painting in plant form. Its rosette is perfectly symmetrical, making it ideal for centerpieces or decorative pots. 2. Chrysula capitella Campfire. This fiery succulent turns brilliant red in bright sunlight. Its stacked leaves resemble flames, and it spreads quickly, creating a glowing carpet of color in your garden. 3. Graptopetalum paraguayens Ghost Plant. Don't be fooled by its name. This succulent shimmers with soft tones of blue, silver, and lilac. It's elegant, mysterious, and surprisingly hardy. 4. Kalanchoe Flapjack. Also known as paddle plant, this succulent boasts oversized, round leaves that turn bright red around the edges when exposed to full sun. Its bold contrast makes it a statement piece. 5. Echeveria Pearl von Nürnberg. This variety offers a beautiful combination of purple, silver, and pink with a powdery finish. It's highly photogenic and a favorite among succulent enthusiasts. 6. Sedum rubrotinctum Jelly Bean. This plant looks good enough to eat. With bean-shaped leaves that turn red and orange under stress, it's a playful addition to any succulent collection. 7. Euphorbia tyricale Fire Sticks. Also called sticks on fire, this unique succulent turns neon red and orange in colder temperatures. Its coral-like structure makes it a dramatic, upright element. 8. Echeveria Afterglow. Looking like a living mandala, Afterglow flaunts vibrant purple and pink foliage with a glowing center. Each leaf ends in a sharp point, adding visual drama. 9. Aeonium Sunburst. This variegated beauty has green and yellow striped leaves with rosy pink edges. Its large, flat rosettes resemble blooming flowers. 10. Graptosedum California Sunset. As the name implies, this plant showcases pinkish-orange tones that resemble the sky at dusk. It's hardy, fast-growing, and a wonderful filler in arrangements. 11. Setiveria Blue Elf. This frosty succulent has blue-gray leaves with red tips in winter. Its compact size and coloration make it perfect for small pots or fairy gardens. 12. Anacampseros rufescens. With a delightful mix of green, purple, and red, this succulent forms low, spreading mats and occasionally produces lovely pink flowers. 13. Chrysula ovata Hummel Sunset. Also known as the golden jade plant, it sports golden yellow leaves with red edges, particularly in full sun or cooler temperatures. 14. Pachiveria clavifolia. Featuring plump, elongated leaves in shades of blue and lavender, this succulent adds a cool, soothing palette to your collection. 15. Echeveria agavoides Romeo. Its deep wine-red color and tight rosette form make Romeo a standout, especially when placed in minimalist white pots. 16. Tacitus bellis Graptopetalum bellum. This eye-catching plant features deep burgundy rosettes and vibrant pink flowers in spring. A compact stunner that thrives in bright light. 17. Aeonium arboreum Zwartkop. Also called the black rose, this dark purple succulent almost looks black under the sun. Its dramatic contrast pairs well with brighter succulents. 18. Chrysula red pagoda. Stacked like a spiral staircase, this plant's leaves are green on top and red beneath, creating a layered look with intense contrast. 19. Echeveria rainbow. As the name suggests, this hybrid produces a delightful gradient of pastel pinks, purples, yellows, and greens. A rare and sought-after treasure. 20. Sempervivum red beauty. This hardy succulent develops a rich burgundy color during cooler seasons, giving a glowing ruby appearance in rock gardens or cold climates. 21. Kalanchoe Lushy Fantastic. A vibrant variegated version of the classic flapjack, Fantastic, has leaves splashed with cream, red, green, and pink. It's bold, eye-catching, and almost tropical in appearance. 22. Echeverria Mexican Giant. Massive in size and glowing with pale blue-white hues, this variety can develop hints of pink at the tips in bright sun, offering an ethereal, ghostly elegance. 23. Portulaca Malochinensis. Native to Hawaii, this compact succulent produces fleshy, stacked leaves in a lime green hue, often edged in red when stressed or exposed to full sun. 24. Cotyledon or Biculata Silver Peak. Its broad silvery blue leaves are dusted with a powdery coating and edged in deep burgundy, especially when exposed to cool temperatures or intense sunlight. 25. Sedum Aurora Pink. This miniature gem features delicate, rounded leaves in pearly pink and pale green. It forms tight, trailing clusters that are ideal for hanging pots. 26. Echeverria Topsy-Turvy. With wavy, upward curving leaves in icy blue-gray, this cultivar adds whimsy and motion to your succulent collection. A must-have for texture lovers. 27. Othana capensis Ruby Necklace. Trailing stems with bead-like leaves start off green, but turn deep purple or ruby red in full sun. It looks fantastic spilling out of hanging baskets. 28. Chrysula perforata String of Buttons. Each tiny leaf stacks neatly like buttons on a stem, sporting green centers with red or pink outlines. It adds vertical and architectural interest to mixed arrangements. 29. Echeverria Painted Frills. It boasts wavy, frilly edges in soft minty blue and bubblegum pink, like a living flower permanently in bloom. The contrast is especially vivid under bright light. 30. Senecio Herianus Purple Flush. This unique string-style succulent features pea-shaped leaves tinged with deep purple. It trails beautifully and adds rich contrast to hanging planters.